The Karbis are here in Bandra. Once of things to try, but the one we're going to try, you're going to see in a bit now.
I'll die like this. Fat fillings? Brother, what?
The things we do for food.
This place.
So
we are very official now. Very hot and tempting.
A very wholesome menu. Lots to pick from. Ahilya's showing me her muscles that she's been building in the gym before we go eat some fat. You know how girls are living their brat summer? We're living our fat summer. So from the menu, we have picked the truffle mushroom and peas. Ahilya's doing a butter chicken. And for dessert, we're doing a banoffee and the chocolate and sea salt with whipped mascarpone pie. Ugh, yum.
Billy Maushi.
It looked... You can just put it on top of this. Thank you. Fat feelings. Ooh, look at that crust, brother.
It's smelling like truffle.
Oh, the
Ooh.
truffle. Oh, the mushroom truffle. We got the butter chicken. We got the chocolate. And we got the banoffee. We got
We're ready to get crusty. Is it too late to do lymphatic drainage? So my double showing.
You're in the car with the Karbis. And today we're all about feeling
Fat.
pretty hot
And
and tempting. Like these pies. We're so excited to eat these, guys.
Check it out. I'm so starving. Lunchtime could not have
They
been
smell
later.
amazing.
Heaven could not be better.
I cannot wait to get into this. And I feel like today, as we are eating our fillings, we should also talk about our fillings.
Fillings.
Our fillings. So, Ahilya, you want to go? What are you feeling right now?
Hungry.
Okay. So, I think then first let's get into it.
Let's have a bite.
Oh, mine's a little...
Mmm.
Looks amazing.
Mmm.
Wait, you already ate it? Oh my god, how is it?
Mmm.
Guys, I, unlike Ahilya, will show you all first.
I did show them.
Okay.
This butter chicken
amazing.
might be the best butter chicken filling I've ever had.
Mm.
It's good stuff. Now we can talk about our fillings.
I'm having the truffle mushroom and peas. Honestly, it's a really good pie. Like, and the crust is just
Can you taste the truffle?
fantastic. I can taste the truffle through and through. But I have to be honest, I feel like the filling is nice, but I'm not like, whoa, like I love this
Not a
pie.
game changer.
It's not a game changer. And I think maybe that's traditionally because most pies, like the traditional ones, would be like a really nice, like meaty pie. You know, like a traditional shepherd's pie or like these really nice. It's not dry at all. I think it's got a good ratio of like the veg to like the creaminess to the taste.
Yeah.
The taste is amazing, honestly. But I feel like, you know, when things go like, when flavors are like, but it's not like whoa. I feel like that whoa thing
You're
is
not
like...
feeling like dancing right
I'm not feeling like dancing right now.
I like how flaky it is, and I love the base of the crust. Like, can you all see that? Like, it's crispy and it's just like a thin biscuit layer at the bottom. But again, like, I'm not feeling like dancing, but I think we're just so hungry right now. We just want to keep eating it. I mean, for the affordability, it's not bad. It's like, I think $300, which is not bad.
But we got the minis.
And
And the minis are also quite well portioned.
They're big.
I gotta say that I think the pie itself is beautiful.
Yeah.
The pie, like they've nailed the pie.
crust.
It is really nice and flaky, you know, the right amount of like butter. It's really good.
Especially in the weather, 'cause it was raining all morning and we were craving something hot and comforting. I think this is what we needed. And guys, it's like 4 o'clock. We've not eaten lunch, so we're starving. So, like, since we're talking about like fillings, we should talk about our inner fillings also. what do you think you're most grateful for? Like, I think in our journey.
I think both Ahilya and me are discussing these last few days with Kabis in particular. We both are just feeling so grateful for all the love that both of us are getting, for all the love Kabis are getting.
We love
And
you
to
guys.
our 120 something followers, we love you all immensely.
You guys are special. When we
You-
hit 1 million followers, you
Yeah.
guys will be the most important ones.
Yeah, we are the OG
You
followers.
started us off.
Yeah, but honestly, we're just having such a fun time doing this because we both do content for a living.
We actually wanted to do something together in this, like in the food space, but we didn't know exactly what. And I think 3 years down, you know, when timing is just right, it all came together so seamlessly, and we both decided that we want to do something related to content and food over the weekends, and sort of this just started. And believe it or not, guys, we work out 3 times a week because we want to have a good balance between our fat fillings and our fit fillings.
We enjoy meeting new people and understanding their stories and trying their delicious new food.
Ria, I think that this is why most people have commented that they want to be in our backseat.
Exactly.
And we are looking forward
we
to
hear
that
you
too.
guys. We hear you guys. And very soon we will be getting a lot of people in our backseat.
That's a secret.
That's a secret which we can tell. XOXO. Gossip Girl.
It's time to dig into the dessert pies.
We're so excited. And guys,
It looks
this is not the
so
best
good.
looking thing, but I'm still showing you
That's
all.
the banoffee, right?
And I'm excited. Cheers.
Guys, this is chocolate sea salt and mascarpone, and
Cheers.
it is decadent. Oof.
Mm.
Mmm.
Mm. Bro.
Bro. I can't. This is, your life will change. You have to eat this.
The banoffee is nice, but I
You're gonna
don't
love this.
I don't love the banoffee.
You're
But I
just
think I'm gonna love the chocolate, so I'm excited.
Oof, it's just too good.
I'm so excited. I'm so glad we got this. Oh my god.
It-
Oh my god.
No?
Oh my god. It's too good, bro. Guys. Bro, a winner. Winner. Very demure. Very mindful. The pie, the
Guys,
tarts.
Oh my god, I think the desserts are heaven.
I think if you're a tart person or a pie person, this
You'll
is
love
it. You love their stuff.
I would marry it.
What did Yash say?
Oops, he comes second.
Should we rate?
Yeah.
This is a 11 on 10. Forget a 10 on 10.
I would say banoffee
11
is
on 10.
great, but I think it's too sweet. 7.5.
More than too sweet. Don't you feel like the banoffee texture is like, the banoffee flavor could be better? Coming to this, 100% 11 on 10 for me. I fucking love it.
I would do it at 12.
A 12. We give it a 15, 16, 17, whatever on 12.
Would give this a 7. Actually 7. That a def 12.
What would you give your butter chicken one?
I liked it. I love the crust. Overall, I felt very good eating it, but
yeah.
it's probably not the best pie I've ever had.
Mm.
But I'd say a solid 8.
Mm.
Great. Also, I love the branding and the packaging.
Oh,
I
yeah.
love how it says pretty hot and tempting because that's what it is.
I would rate my veg truffle and mushroom one a 8 as well. And yeah, great stuff.
I'm still licking my fingers because I can't get enough.
Guys, we're gonna go for seconds. So we'll see you on the next episode. Bye.